This is the nature of weak bases, the Bronsted-Lowry definition. First, what are Bronsted-Lowry bases? According to the Bronsted-Lowry definition, a base is a proton acceptor, while an acid is a proton donor. In this example, the base is labeled B, and I'm showing the electron pair, because all Bronsted-Lowry bases must have an electron pair to accept a proton. In this example, the Bronsted-Lowry base accepts a proton to become a conjugate acid, while the Bronsted-Lowry acid donates a proton to become a conjugate base. Here's the key. This Bronsted-Lowry acid-base reaction yields the hydroxide ion in solution. And that's why these solutions have basic properties, including a pH above 7.00. Here are some common weak bases listed with their formulas and KBs, or equilibrium constants, for their dissociation in water. First, notice all these bases contain nitrogen. This is important because neutral nitrogen contains a lone pair of electrons that can accept a proton. Second, notice how all these bases have small kb's, or equilibrium constants, when they react with water to yield the hydroxide ion. Therefore, we consider these weak bases. This will affect the way we find the pH of these solutions.